Hi, and welcome to another Level Up Cartooning. I thought I would add one more to our little collection of cartoon characters who have no real separate head and body. In other words, their face, head, and body are all sort of part of the same mass or shape. We started with Mr. Krabs from SpongeBob. Then we drew Gossamer from Looney Tunes. Today we're going to draw another Looney Tune, the ever-popular Tasmanian Devil. Anyways, all you'll need to follow along with me is a pencil and paper. Easy, right? Before we get started, make sure you hit that thumbs up and the subscribe button as it helps this channel to grow, and hit the bell so you never miss a lesson. Okay, so let's draw Taz. We're going to draw Taz step by step, giving you the secret formula to be able to draw him again and again. If you've watched any of my other videos, you know I use the character's head to figure out how big the entire character is. Well, as you saw in the intro, Taz is really kind of a head with arms and legs. His head really is his whole body. Alright, so let's start with that roadmap for Taz. So there's our roadmap for the Tasmanian Devil. Now we're on to step 2. In this step, we do what I call roughing out the features. I want to remind you that until the third and final step to draw as light as possible. You'll see that I use guidelines to help me to know where to put Taz's eyes, nose, and some of the other things. We don't want those guidelines in the final drawing, so you want to draw them light enough to be able to erase them very easily. So let's rough out Taz's features. Okay, so they're the roughed out features for Taz. So now with the roadmap done and the features roughed out, it's time for the final step. In step 3, we get to have fun. We get to draw in the final details of Taz. We don't have to guess where to put things because we've already done all the hard work figuring that out. In this step, it's okay to draw darker, but don't press too hard or mindlessly retrace over the lines you've already drawn. Always draw with an eye on tweaking and improving until the very end. So let's draw in the details for Taz. Alrighty, and there you have it, Taz. So how do you think you did? Understand, if you've never drawn Taz before, then you cannot expect to have drawn him perfectly. You notice I don't spend time coloring him during this video because I want my lesson to focus solely on the drawing process. Now you have the secret formula, the process for drawing Taz. With that, you can draw him again and again, and by all means color him when you're done. I promise each time you draw him, it'll be a little better and a little easier. I also promise the more you work with me, the better you're going to get at all of your cartoon characters. For those of you who want to go a little deeper, click on the link below for my free 4-part drawing series where I spend more time explaining the details and the thinking behind each step in what I call the level up cartooning process. So I'd love to see your drawing of Taz. If you can, take a picture and post it on either Facebook or Instagram, and don't forget to include the hashtag #LevelUpCartooning. I hope you had fun with this one. Remember to subscribe, and thanks for joining me. Until next time, keep drawing, my friends.